Yo, listen up, here's the story about a little guy.
Hello people of the world, this is Gearhead91, and in the next few minutes I am going to show you how easy it is to upgrade the RAM on your computer. Step 1. Obviously, you gotta remove the cap. And here we have a bunch of wires. If you don't know much about computers, it's alright, we'll tell you what you need to know. Alright, now that we got the cover off, let's go to step number 2. Always remember to ground yourself. Else we can now continue to remove the RAM that you have. If you look up close, there will be a little memory bar that is on the side of the disk drives, which are this little bar right here. Alright, now that you've removed the RAM off your computer, the next thing to do is to check what kind of RAM you have and what's the original size. Okay, so for this computer, since it's old, it is DDR. So we're going to add a gig, alright, since it had 512 before. If you notice, there is a little hole right there, okay? This hole has to match with the hole that is in here. Let me turn on the light so you can see it better. You see that little, it's not a hole, but like a little line there? That has to match with the hole in your bar. Alright guys, now that you made sure that you know how that you have aligned the memory card properly, you pretty much just slot it in. Our final step is the same as the first one, but the opposite direction. You grab your case cover, alright guys, good luck and thanks for watching.